Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about why you can't fix the fear of driving by driving. You know, when I work with people online to help them overcome their driving anxiety, this is the most common thing people say. They say, well look, I just want to drive and I just keep driving and I just hope the problem will go. And people in the comments of my videos leave comments saying to other people, why don't you just drive, just push through it, just keep driving and you'll get rid of it. It's impossible to fix the fear of driving by driving, and here is why. Think about it logically. Let's just think about what you're actually saying. You have a fear of driving and you're going to fix it by driving. Well, if you could drive, you wouldn't have the problem in the first place. So what you're saying is that your problem doesn't exist. Think of it like this. You're saying, I can't climb ladders because I'm scared of ladders. So the way I'm going to fix it is to go and climb a ladder. Think about it. It doesn't make any sense. You can't fix a fear by doing it, because if you could do it, you wouldn't have the fear in the first place. So if you really want to get rid of the fear of driving, you need to do it properly, and that is to find out why you have that problem. And as I've often said before, it has nothing to do with driving. I can promise you now, your driving fear, phobia, whatever you want to call it, has nothing to do with driving. And the more you go out driving and the more you force yourself into doing it over and over, all you're actually doing is making the problem worse. You will never fix a fear of driving by just driving. You need to do it properly and professionally. And anyone who says that you can fix a fear of driving by driving doesn't have a clue what they are talking about. Just look at how many driving instructors there are out there running these ridiculous courses. Even massive companies, multi-million pound companies, have websites saying your fear of driving probably comes from a poor experience of driving in the past. It's nonsense. They haven't got a clue what they are talking about. If you want to get rid of driving anxiety, you need to work with someone who really understands how it works, which is me.